What's going on, guys? Dre Garibay here for GaribayComputer.com. Welcome back to another Tech Tip of the Week. Yes, the show name has changed to Tech Tip of the Week because Tech Tip of the Day was, as you guessed, completely unmanageable. Couldn't get videos up that often, so we're shooting for a weekly basis, which is a lot more realistic. Today we're going to be discussing a fantastic online tool called VirusTotal. The way this tool works is, let's say you have a file on your computer. You're suspicious that it may be a malicious file, an infected file. Well, all you can do is simply update it to this website, VirusTotal.com. The website will scan it and give you a reading on whether that file is infected or not. And it's pretty accurate. Plus, you're getting a higher benefit as well because VirusTotal.com is scanning with multiple antivirus engines and not just one. It's more accurate than when you scan with just one antivirus program. Now on my desktop, you'll notice I got a couple of files. One's a shortcut to the website, so I can show you a demonstration. The other is a dark key changer. It's considered a hacking tool. We're going to upload that to VirusTotal, see how it reacts. The other file is just a simple Excel file. If we open it up, as you can see, it's just completely blank and called testing. So we're going to upload that to VirusTotal, see what it reports on that file. Here's the website, very clean, basic interface, straight to the point. Another thing I want to point out is that it scans URLs, which is fantastic. Let's say you get a link to a website and you're like, whoa, I don't know if this website is a malicious site. Maybe it's going to inject something in the background in my browser, whatever the case. Well, enter the URL into this bar here and just hit scan it, and VirusTotal will scan the website, report back whatever it finds. So for example, let's just do a website that I use quite frequently, filehippo.com. Do scan it. Now when you do the scan, you'll get this URL already analyzed. What that means is someone else has already scanned this website, and what you can do is view the last analysis or just hit reanalyze. 90% of the time I'll just hit reanalyze just because I want to get a fresh reading. And let's do a reanalyze. That way we can see this baby in action. So as you can see, it says your URL is being analyzed, may take up to a minute. Wow, that was really fast. Okay, so we got Pareto Logic was resulted as a malware site. I don't think so. I use this site all the time. It's 100% safe, secure, good, reliable website. So as you can see, you're gonna get some what we call false positives. It's something that is scanned and you know is legit and will still come back as a malware site or whatnot. So at the end of the day, you got to use your best judgment. Obviously, if you're seeing like all 10, 12 of these is reporting malware site, malware site, malware site, yeah, stay away from it. And then here is a voter system from the users. So if you want to vote this down as a malicious site, you can give a little user input here. Click here if you think the URL is malicious. Please do it only if you have good evidence for it. So this is kind of user voting system here. You can rely on this as well. The green ones obviously vote as harmless. So let's vote this as harmless. Now let's say you have a file on a computer you want to scan. Well, let's go ahead and click on the File tab and upload it. Go to Choose File. And first we're going to go with the clean file, which is just a test XLS file. Once it's uploaded, go ahead and hit scan it. As you can see, the max file size is 125 or 128 megabytes. Not too bad. Since most malicious pieces of software are never really big in size anyways. Your file is now queued for scanning. Please wait until the analysis starts. So it's doing the scan. And it's almost done. These are all the different antiviruses that contribute to VirusTotal. And so far as you can see, the result, everything is green. So just based off of that, we can be pretty assured, pretty assured that this is a safe file. Okay, detection ratio is 0.52. Wow, so I'm guessing there's about 52 scanners. Wow. Alright, easy enough. So at that point we can be like, oh cool, this file should be good to go. Safe. Let's go back to the home page. Let's update or upload this Darky key changer and see what results we get. I'm going to go to scan it. Looks like it was already analyzed. That was probably from me, but let's just reanalyze it. Give you the file name darkykeychanger.exe. Ooh. Badu International detected a Trojan. McAfee has behaves like Win32 Trojan. Kingsoft Win32 Auto Infector. Oof. Yeah, so as you can see, this is probably a file of concern. Definitely. Alright, so it's done. The detection ratio was 11 of 54. User voting is 49 of 29. So, you know, it's the green is higher than the red, which is a good sign. This could be considered a false positive because it is a key changer. A lot of antiviruses will just automatically detect it as a virus just because it is a key changer, but hey, maybe you're using it for yourself and you want to change your own key, you know, so kind of got to use your best judgment. Now, with that being said, that is pretty much VirusTotal in a nutshell. Of course, they got an FAQ. You can go here and get your frequently asked questions. I'll let you guys go through this on your own. Definitely have a look. It's very good, useful information. And like I said, fantastic online tool. Does require an internet connection to use. Keep that in mind, folks. That's going to wrap up this tech tip of the week. Any questions or concerns, please leave in the comment section below, and we'll see you next time.